Today's our topic is upon world happiness. So I will be discussing World Happiness Report of 2022. Top stories for today's are that Finland tops World Happiness Report 2022. Pakistan's rank above India. Pakistan is happier than India, says UN's World Happiness Report 2022. What is the happiest country in the world? So if we talk happiest country, it is Finland has the world's happiest country for 4 years running. Denmark and Norway hold all but one of the other titles, which went to Switzerland in 2015. What are the 6 variables in World Happiness Report? The report uses 6 key variables to measure happiness differences: income, healthy life expectancy, having someone to count on in times of trouble, generosity, freedom, and trust, with the latter measured by absence of corruption in businesses and government. What is the purpose of World Happiness Report? The World Happiness Report is the first report to rank countries by how their population feel. Happiness can change and does change according to the quality of the society in which people live. John F. Halliwell is one of the chief editors of World Happiness Report. What percentage of world is happy? Two-thirds of adults globally, 64% report being happy, 14% very much so, and 15% rather so. Countries with the biggest portion of adults considering themselves as a very happy are Canada, Australia, Saudi Arabia, and India. Great Britain and US. Which country is number one in world? Canada. Finland has been named as the number one country in world in 2022 for quality of life, according to the CEO World Magazine 2021 report, while Denmark and Norway place second and the third respectively. Moreover, talking about rank number 11, 12, and 13 and 14, you can see respectively UK, which has a total score of 90.68, following Canada, respectively, score of 90.3, then South Korea, total score of 89.67. Furthermore, US, United States of America, having a total score of 89.11. So who is the happiest person in the world? So here is the happiest person.